Hi mga kapasyalan! Today we're heading to Wright Park. This vlog is going to be a little different. Like some of my videos, I'm not doing my usual voiceover narration. Walang background music, walang dramatic edits. Because I want you to experience this place the way we are experiencing it. With the real sounds, the real ambience. Especially the joy of families and excited kids enjoying the park. Alam nyo, for me, sobrang uplifting makarinig na matawanan ng mga bata, yung sigawan na, "Ma, picture!" at yung simpleng bonding ng pamilya. Minsan, that's the real soundtrack of travel. Also, abangan nyo ditong asawa ko na medyo nawala ng hininga, paakyat ng hagdan. Pero after mawala ng hininga sa hagdan, makikita yung asawa ko sa Session Road. Nasa mas magandang mood na. All smiles, aliw na aliw sa mga mascots kasama ang visiting crowd. So from Hingal to happy. Therefore, make sure you stay until the end kasi may cute redemption arc tayo. In this video, samahan nyo kami as we walk through the pine trees of Wright Park. Meet a young boy na proud na naka 14,000 steps daw siya. Wow! Future marathoner yata ito. Stroll along the peaceful pond, take a look at the mansion, and walk at the Scenic Road heading back to Session Road. Simple lang. Walang bonggang production, just real moments. So if you're planning to visit Wright Park in Baguio, or just want to relax and feel the authentic park atmosphere, this video is for you. By the way, comment below. Kaya mo bang hagdan ng Wright Park ng hindi hinihingal? Be honest. At ilan ang high steps na ma-achieve mo in one day? If you enjoy this kind of real, no background music travel experience, please subscribe and like. We feature honest and simple Philippine travel walks, hindi laging perfect, pero laging totoo. Alright, let's start walking!
Mereka. Malamang. Malamang. Asal ba tayo layo, ha? Step na yun. Oh. Apa kayo? Ala, ang daman na apuray. Ay! Pwede mo mag-slide na ng pagpapababa.
Oh!
Ay, papicturean mo kami.
Ipicturean si Papa! Yay!
Dali ba?
Hey! Ano ba? Ha? Balikod naman kayo.
Okay.
Lasan.
Go!
Hihigop na ng
Ilan?
bawal. Paano ka?
Kita lang kita.
Ay, lasan.
Pumunta ka na doon sa taas. Sige na. Pero we could...
May salangan nun na yan.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 16, 17, 18, 14,000! And the rest there.
Alin? Alin? Kwenta lang daw ah. Ano ba bayad ka? Paano naman ito?
Ma.
Tayo.
Bakit na?
Hindi ganyan. Tayo lang pero lumipat-lipat kayo. Thank you po.
Video man siya. Hello.
We're at Wright Park.
Yeah, right. Lunch.
Pero pwede mo masama-sama siya. Papunta na po sa Instagram. Ay, no, walang kasama.
Kaya mas sila nakahanga.
Magayakin mo yung hamon.
May
Ganito siya ba sa ano?
Binigyan mo dito.
okay lang. Kasama ka? Hi.
Then we have a Dalmatian there. Hindi pa dito masyadong active. Hindi pa dito masyadong active.
Kaya ako nasama sa kanya.
Hello.